Class 90 examples with batteries. So in this example you can see ampere hour rating is asked and also voltage rating. The given data is this much. Load is 1000 watt, backup time 1 hour, voltage is given, charger current is given, inverter efficiency is given. So first we will find inverter output. Load output is 1000. So inverter efficiency is 70%. So we can find inverter output. Inverter output is 1000 by 70% is equal to 1428 kilowatt. Load power by inverter efficiency will be inverter input, that is the power required by the battery. Battery should be able to supply so much. Inverter supplies 1000 watt to the load. Battery should supply so much watt to the inverter because of inverter efficiency. Right. Once you get the battery output, divide by the battery output by battery voltage 36 volts, it is given. It gives a current delivered by the battery. You have current delivered by the battery, multiply by time, which is 1 hour, you will get ampere hour capacity of battery. 39.68 into 1 is equal to 39.68. If it is 2 hours, multiply by 2. So you can round it off to 40 ampere hours. Now it is said 36 volts. So we can assume that if each cell is 12 volts, 3 such cells should be connected in series, means each battery should be of 40 ampere hours and 12 volt. If they are connected in series, we will get 36 volts 40 ampere hours. We need total capacity 36 volts 40 ampere hours. Note that the charger current, which is 10 amperes, which is given in the problem, is not necessary. It is just to make you confusion, because charger current may be less or more. Okay, that is other part, that is designing other part, not with respect to load. If charger current is high or low, charging duration may be less or more, that's all. Now another problem. Here it is given 600 watt load, power factor 0.8, efficiency 0.8, battery voltage 48 volt DC. Okay, right. Here also say there is a separate charger for the battery. This data is not necessary. Now we need these three things to be calculated. You have load power 600 watt, divided by power factor, you will get kVA. You have this one, load power divided by next input or peak power of the inverter We have inverter efficiency 0.8, load power is equal to 600 watt. So divide 600 by 0.8, we will get 0.75 kilowatt. Kindly refer the notes. Next, ampere hour capacity. Before that, you see, output of rectifier is equal to input of the inverter. So input rating, input power of the inverter or peak power of the inverter means how much inverter is taking peak power. That is equal to output of rectifier. Next, we need ampere hour rating of battery. See, ampere can be calculated by load output by load output given supply given to the load, input to the load or output of the inverter, kilowatt, by the voltage. Voltage is given 48 volts DC, or you can have 75 kVA by 48 volts, whichever is larger. Here both are same, kVA rating and kW rating both are same. So take anything, divide by voltage, you get current. Now it is said 30 minutes backup. So current multiplied by time gives the ampere hour capacity. Round it off.